Welcome to DPO. This is a quick introduction to reviewing and managing submitted expense reports. Once employees have uploaded their receipts and submitted their expense reports, they become available for review in DPO. To get started, open the expense view from the left-hand navigation. Here you'll find a complete overview of all submitted expense reports. Use the search bar or the available filters, such as Department, to quickly locate a specific top sheet. To review only the top sheets that are waiting for review, simply select the For Review filter. Within a top sheet, you'll find shortcuts on the left-hand side that allow you to quickly navigate between individual receipts. The selected receipt is displayed in the center of the screen. To edit a receipt, simply click the pencil icon. The receipt is displayed on the left, while the relevant information appears on the right. Review the extracted information and edit any fields if necessary. Make sure the receipt name and gross amount are correct. You can also edit the description, assign or change the department, and, if required, select an account code. To save even more time, use the Apply to All option available on each item. This allows you to copy selected information, such as tax rates and departments, to all remaining items with a single click. If the receipt contains multiple tax rates, simply add another line and assign the appropriate tax rate. Once everything looks correct, click the green Save button. You can also reject individual receipts at any time. Simply open the three-dot menu for the corresponding receipt item, select Reject, and enter a reason for the rejection. The receipt will automatically be returned to the employee's expense inbox for correction and resubmission. All rejected receipts are also listed separately at the bottom of the top sheet for easy tracking. For even faster processing, switch to Reviewer mode. This allows you to quickly apply the same department, description, account code, or other common fields across all receipt items. The first time an employee submits a top sheet, DPO automatically creates a new supplier without a supplier code. Before exporting the expense report, make sure to assign the appropriate supplier code. Simply click the pencil icon next to the supplier code to edit it. Once everything has been reviewed and is ready to be submitted, click Send Expenses for approval. You can review the complete approval history and monitor where each expense report is currently located within the approval workflow. Use the Approver filter in the top sheet overview to quickly find reports assigned to specific approvers. Approvers will find the top sheet in their approval list, where they can review and approve the top sheet. After final approval, you can export your top sheet data to any third-party platform. For documentation purposes, DPO allows you to download the complete top sheet as a PDF by clicking the PDF icon. The PDF includes the expense summary together with all associated receipts in a single document, making it easy to archive, print, or share. One final tip: after reimbursement has been completed, you can mark the top sheet as paid for easy tracking. If you'd like to learn how to upload expenses, be sure to check out our other tutorial videos. If you have further questions, please send us an email at support@digitalpurchaseorder.com or give us a call at 1-888-376-7254. We can also arrange a demo appointment with you. Simply contact us via email, and we will schedule a call at your earliest convenience.